So the foundation came in this box. I am loving the teal with the coral color. It is so pretty, and I'm loving this logo right here. When I opened the box, this is what I seen. This is adorable little coral and teal makeup bag with the same logo on it. And inside the makeup bag was all my foundations. The pattern for the stick foundation are the same colors as the bag in the box, and it has the same little logo. The shade names are on the bottom and on the top. This is what the component looks like. Cute coral plastic component. And also the shade name is on the bottom. My foundation shade, which I'm pretty sure I'm in the lightest shade there is, and that's Tokyo, but I'm gonna make sure. I want the foundation to match my neck, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be using this one, but I want to take a couple of the other light ones and just compare. Already, just by drawing these lines, I can tell that it goes on super smooth and really creamy. Okay, so looking right here, this one is too light to be my whole foundation, and this one is too dark. So I'm gonna be going in with this middle shade right here. It looks like it's the best match for my foundation. I'm gonna be using the lightest shade for a brightening concealer. So creamy. This foundation is buildable, so you can put as much or as little as you want. I want more of a full coverage look, so I'm going to apply a little bit more foundation. I'm really loving how this foundation went on. It blended super easily, and you definitely can build it for that full coverage look, or you could just apply a little bit for a natural look. So this is a foundation, but you can also use it as a concealer, corrector, and contour. So I'm going to be going in with the lightest shade Tokyo as my concealer. Spots that I want to be a little bit lighter to brighten my whole face up. This works better as a concealer than most concealers I've actually tried. My contour, I didn't realize that my camera shut off, so I didn't catch that part on camera, but as you can see, it looks super good. I'm not really a big fan of cream contour. It just never really worked for me. I didn't think it looked right on me. I could never get it blended how I wanted, but with this, it was so easy. It literally took a couple minutes and it was blended, and I really love how it looks on my face.